Good afternoon, everyone. This is David with Bolivar Live. Well, I tell you what, we're out here at Camp Margaritaville in Crystal Beach, Texas, and we're going to take a run around the RV resort here and let you see what this Texas-sized RV resort is all about. You know, we do a show every Monday or Tuesday, I should say, afternoon from Camp Margaritaville or talking about Camp Margaritaville. And we were out here this weekend for the Randy Rogers band, and I tell you what, it was packed. In fact, most of the people have gone home, but I can tell you they've got some great live music lined up here throughout the year and into the fall. And so let's take a look around Paradise Park and the Texas-sized pool. Now in the top left corner, you'll see a bunch of RVs, and those are the new RVs that we've talked about that they have for lease. So you don't even have to have an RV to stay at Camp Margaritaville. You can use theirs. In fact, if you're staying on Bolivar Peninsula, you can come in and enjoy Finn's Bar and Grill, the live music at Paradise Park, and check out that pool to cool off in this Texas heat. So, you know, Camp Margaritaville's beachfront, and that's one of the great things about Camp Margaritaville. In fact, let's go take a look at the beachfront real quick and see how it looks on this July day. You know, you're only steps away, so whether you want to relax in the pool, and there you can see where they're actually expanding a little bit for some RV rallies they have coming up this fall. In fact, we just had a lady come in today asking for information for an Airstream rally they have, I believe, in December. So you can see the white sandy beaches is just steps away with easy access from Camp Margaritaville. Now, one of the great things about Camp Margaritaville is they have everything in one location. So let's take a look around a little bit and see exactly what they have. There on the right, you'll see the Texas-sized pool. Then they have Paradise Park, where they have live music just about every weekend, some ticketed and some free, but I can tell you, it's all family friendly. And you can get more information on Camp Margaritaville, the live music, and reserve your spot here by going to their website at www.Camp Margaritaville Crystal Beach and get all the information. And also, while you're there, make sure you sign up for the newsletter. Well, they'll let you know periodically any specials they have going on and the live music they have coming in. So what better way to spend the day than at the pool here at Camp Margaritaville, and then catching some live music at Finn's Bar and Grill and Paradise Park in the evening. With easy access, you can walk everywhere. And I tell you what, they have a lot of activities for kids here also to keep them busy. Now that building going across the bottom right there is actually a bathhouse that also has a weight room and laundry facilities. So no matter what you're looking for, you can find it here. And if you forget something, they also have the camp store at the front by the parking lot. With easy check-in off Highway 87, you can't beat your stay at Camp Margaritaville in Crystal Beach, Texas. Well, we just wanted to show you around a little bit on this July day, let you see exactly what's going on out here at Camp Margaritaville. And make sure you visit their website by going to www.campmargaritavillecrystalbeach.com. Sign up for their newsletter so you can get discounted stays and see the live music or any specials they may be having. Well, we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the stay. Hope you enjoyed the view of this Texas-sized RV resort here on the upper Texas coast, Bolivar Peninsula. We're going to head on out. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. Come explore Camp Margaritaville, Crystal Beach. Until next time, God bless and bye-bye.